Hi guys. So in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to get web hosting. Okay. So what is web hosting? Web hosting is a service that allows you to post a website to the internet. Okay. So practically, if you don't have web hosting, then your website will not show on the internet. Okay. So this is very important. It's crucial. Actually, if you don't have web hosting, then you cannot have a website on the internet. Okay. So I will show you how to get web hosting. Okay, so the web hosting that we will use is Namecheap. Okay, again, it is Namecheap. So just type Namecheap hosting on Google and just click the first result that show. Okay, the result that show web hosting namecheap.com. Okay, just click that. And here are the different hosting of Namecheap. Okay, there's shared hosting, reseller hosting, and VPS hosting. But what we need is the shared hosting. So just click shared hosting. Okay. So if you ask me, why did I choose Namecheap? Okay. Because Namecheap, I've been with Namecheap for a long time and their service is very good and the quality of their product is very good. Okay. So whenever I have a problem and I just go to their support desk and they entertain me. Okay, they entertain me quickly and it gets resolved. Okay, and also they have a very affordable price compared to the others. Okay, so the first hosting package is the value hosting. Okay, this costs $9.88 for the first year. Okay, and when you renew this, the price is $38.88. Okay, so it includes up to 3 websites with unmetered bandwidth and 20 gig disk space. Okay, so the next package is the professional package. Okay, so this is the most popular package and it costs $19.88 for the first year. Okay, and the renewal price is $78.88 per year. Okay, so this includes up to 10 websites and 50 gig disk space and unmetered bandwidth. Okay, so the next hosting package is the ultimate package and this costs $29.88 for the first year. Okay, so the renewal price is $129.88 per year. Okay, so this includes up to 50 websites and unmetered bandwidth and unmetered disk space. Right, so if you want, there's also a business plan and it costs $19.88 per month. And this one is unlimited websites with 500 gig of bandwidth and 20 gig of pure SSD disk space. So the difference here is the business plan is the fastest business hosting. Okay, so that's why it's a little more expensive at $19 per month. Okay, so what I recommend is if you're starting out is that you choose either the professional plan or the value plan. Okay, so if you're planning to have up to 10 websites, then it is recommended to use the professional plan. Okay, but if you want to have only one website, then the value plan is good. But you don't know, maybe in the future you want to add more websites. Okay, so for the purposes of this exercise, I'm just gonna choose the value plan. So I'll just click add to cart. Okay, so it says here, if you want to get a free domain or purchase a new domain or use a domain I own with Namecheap. Okay, so it says here, if you want to get a free website domain. So we're not interested in that because it's dot website extension and it's not good. It will go like blogging duo dot website. So that's not good and we're not interested in that. And since we already have a domain with Namecheap, remember that we registered earlier, let's just click this use a domain I own with Namecheap. Okay, so just click this use a domain I own with Namecheap. And then you need to sign in. Okay, so remember you have a username and a password, so just click sign in and I'm just gonna sign in. Okay, so remember to keep your login details in a safe place. Okay, actually, Namecheap will send you an email, so I'll just show you. Okay, so this is Namecheap. It sent me an email with my username. Okay, but the password, they don't send the password, so you have to remember the password. Okay, so again, Namecheap will send you an email, and there's also an email here, Namecheap support, immediate verification required. Okay, so just click that, and you need to click this link. Okay, this is very important because as of January 1, the ICANN, or the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, it has mandated that all ICANN accredited registers begin verifying who is contact information for all new domain registrations and registrant contact. Okay, so you need to click this link, because if you don't click this link, okay, you have until January 25, 2018 to verify this email. After this date, the domain associated with this registrant contact will be suspended until the email address is verified. Okay, so if you don't click this link, then um, the email address will be suspended. Okay, the domain name will be suspended. It's very important that you click this. Okay, so I'll just click that. Just click the confirm profile. Okay, so it's a success. Okay, so just remember that Namecheap will send you an email with the title immediate verification required for digitalbooks.club, which is the domain I registered. Okay, so just click that, and remember to click this link and verify your email address, or else your domain name will be suspended. Okay, alright, so let's go back to Namecheap. Okay, so once we log in, it will show the list of domain names that I own. Okay, so since we bought digitalbooks.club, okay, this is the domain that I bought earlier. So just click select, and then click continue. Okay, just click continue, and this will show our shopping cart. Okay, and just click confirm order, and I will pay with my PayPal. Okay, you can pay with your credit card. Just click PayPal and then continue, and then I will check out with my PayPal. But I will just pause this video because I will be logging into my PayPal account. Okay. Oh, um, before we proceed, remember that we need to approve the terms and agreements, and you can find that by scrolling down, and you will see these terms and agreements. And there's this little box, so just click that. Okay, so now I will pause the video because I will check out with PayPal. Okay, so now I have processed the my payment. Okay, so now let's just wait for it, and we will be receiving an email from Namecheap. Okay, so now I'll see you in the next video, where we will go to the control panel of Namecheap. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.